Alright, today I have the Husky 8-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. It comes with premium S2 hardened steel bits for exceptional strength. Now these are the bits that they were talking about for exceptional strength. We'll take a look at those in a second. But there's 4 of them in here with 2 sides, so that makes 8. And then 1 screwdriver right there. It says 4 double-sided bits. Store and handle, so you can actually store them inside of the handle so they're not all over the place. We're going to get to that, but we're just going to take a look at it really quick. So that's the screwdriver, and then this is the top to the screwdriver, and here are the 4 double-sided bits, so that makes 8 bits in one. So it shows it on the back. Dual mode precision driver, that's it right here, the dual mode. And then the 4 slotted in here are the sizes. On the side as Phillips, and it also has a slotted side with the various measurements you can choose from. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so it says engineered for electronics and appliances requiring precision screwdrivers. So that's what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up with my scissors right here. All right, so pull that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and open this way, and inside we have the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just dump them all out, and then we're going to get in close so we can see exactly what we're working with down here. So here is the screwdriver set. We're going to go in a little closer. All right, maybe not so close. And so here's the set, and they go in here. So you can actually drop them in there, it looks like, but we'll get to that in a second. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and insert one of the bits inside of the screwdriver, the Husky screwdriver. And so I'm going to go ahead and place this one in. And if you can look at this right here, on the bit, there is a little ball right there, and that ball right there allows the bit to become secure inside of the screwdriver. So I'm going to go ahead and place one of them in there. And there's sort of a snap, but not really, more of like a magnetic pull, it feels like, once I get in there, and it stays in place. And it will not wiggle out. So I'm just going to keep that in there like this. Put it in there like that. And put the cap on really quick so we can sew it. I'm going to put all of them inside of there, but I just want to put the cap on so you can see it all together at once. So that's the entire Husky screwdriver. And now I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, and you can go ahead and flip this if you want the slotted side as opposed to the Phillips side. Place that in, snap that into place. And I'm going to go ahead and place all of the other bits inside of the Husky screwdriver just to show you. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the cap on. And they slide into place. So when I'm actually using it, the other bits are secure, safe, and I don't run the risk of losing the bits. So it goes in there nicely. Now, to store it, I'm just going to pull out that bit and then place it inside with the other bits and put the cap on, and then I can store it as I probably should. Okay, so that's the Husky 8-in-1 screwdriver. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.